Okay, man, it worked. The concrete is holding 8 foot. I used 3 bags of high strength concrete mix. I got a Home Depot for about $4.90 a buck. I got 3 bags. I did the curb with vinyl siding all the way from there. It's holding. It's holding all the way. It's not even expanding. So there you have it. It worked with vinyl siding. Just use a nail. I think they're called nail plates, whatever. Anyway, it works. Okay. So when that dries up, then I go ahead and finish about 2 or 3 feet here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pour concrete on the 2x4 that I have here all the way down. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that right now. It's about 5 o'clock, so it's gonna get dark pretty soon in about an hour or two. So it worked with vinyl siding. It's holding the concrete. Make sure you use the stakes on the side. And that's it, you're good to go. I'll see you in my next invention, my next video, or whatever I come up with, all right? I'll see you later, alligator. Bye.